Hey folks, Lance Hocutt here with the Lance Hocutt Financial Group in beautiful Tuscaloosa, Alabama. I hope you and your families all had a great Thanksgiving holiday, kicking off our wonderful Christmas season. Hey, I wanted to take a few minutes and go over a summary of key events from the past week, along with those for the week ahead. And also I want to talk with you a little bit about our December 6th get-together. We'll do those three things here shortly. Looking back, Fed minutes. The minutes from the November Federal Reserve meeting offered two really key perspectives. First, the peak in rates will be higher than the market thought earlier this year, echoing really what Chairman Powell stated in his press conference. Second, the pace should slow soon, maybe even as soon as December. Market expectations agree with both conclusions, with 50 basis points expected at the December meeting and a peak expected rate of 5%. Let's talk about midterms. Midterms, the Republicans will have a slim majority in the House with 220 seats to 213 for the Democrats, with one seat still outstanding. The Democrats will retain control of the Senate with 50 seats plus the VP's tie-breaking vote if needed. Now market reactions. The equity markets rose during the holiday shortened week. The S&P 500 returned 1.6% on the week, with value outperforming growth and large and mid cap outperforming small cap. Every sector was positive. Developed international markets responded in kind, returning 1.5% to 2% depending on the region. And emerging markets were mixed, while China fell 3.2% on the week. Fixed income markets continued their volatile year as yields fell on the longer end of the curve and spreads across most sectors narrowed. U.S. 10-year Treasury yields are 55 basis points lower than the peak from late October. Finally, oil fell on growth concerns in China, and crypto continues to be challenged. Now let's look ahead. The post-holiday week is filled with key reports a few weeks before the final Federal Reserve meeting of the year. Let's talk about consumer confidence. Tuesday, the Conference Board survey will be released and is expected to show a continued decline in confidence to levels last seen in 2020. GDP. Wednesday includes the second release of third quarter growth. And then PCE, Thursday, will provide a view into the changes in prices consumers paid for goods and services in October. This report can either serve to confirm the slowing of inflation seen in the latest CPI report or contradict it. Employment. Friday brings the November employment report, providing important clues on a key area of focus for the Fed. Slowing employment and wages could allow the Fed to slow the pace of rate increases, while a surprisingly strong report would dash market hopes. I hope you found this update helpful. Please reach out to me at the Lance Hocutt Financial Group if you have any questions. Lance@lancehocutt.com is our email. Follow us on social media. We'd love to interact with you. Finally, December 6th, 2 p.m. and at 5 p.m. we're going to get together. Hopefully you've registered for that event already. We've got Urban Bar and Kitchen who's going to supply some food for us. We've got some good eats coming, so we look forward to having you all. We've also got Reed Nito, one of my good friends from First Trust Portfolios, who is going to come and give us an outlook on where we've been, where we are today, and hopefully a little message on where they think at First Trust that we're headed. Folks, please use the link at the end of this. If you haven't registered, do so. If you need us, call us 205-345-9733. And by the way, this is not an offer to buy or sell any securities. This is just an update